Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. JB here. So excited you're with me, and I got to tell you, super pumped about today's unboxing. In case you didn't see my original unboxing of my first guitar 3 months ago, 25 years ago I quit guitar. I didn't even play, and the reason was I had 3 guitars and I was just starting to learn. I was starting to learn my chords and things were going good, and I had a friend come over to my house. And the friend came over to our house and said, "Oh, these guitars are so cool." Well, the next day I went to work, and I was running health clubs at the time. And I worked all day and all night. I didn't have much money. It was really a struggle. I came back home and the door was open to my house. And I walked in my house and everything was gone. And he had moved to California. I was living in Tucson, Arizona at the time, and he took all those guitars. And I didn't pick up a guitar until 3 months ago when I ordered my new PRS. And so I've been playing for 3 months and I'm getting better. You've seen some of those videos. And I said I wasn't going to get another guitar, but I've got the disease. I was like, I need an acoustic. And so I got a Taylor. And we're going to do the unboxing. It just came in. It's downstairs. So I'm going to run downstairs and get it. And then we're going to come up and do it. But I'm really just learning guitar at 50 years old. In fact, I'm 51 in a month. So it's challenging, but I'm loving it and I'm having fun. And hopefully you're finding these videos entertaining and I'm giving you some energy, because that's why I'm doing it. I'm having some fun and putting that energy out there. So let's go down and get the guitar and then let's do this unboxing. I'm super excited. Okay, so we got the box up here. I'm excited to do this unboxing. As I said before in the intro to the video as we're getting started, you know, this was my first guitar in over 25 years. This is the McCarty, Paul Reed Smith McCarty 594. I absolutely love this. I've been playing it for 3 months, and I said I wasn't going to buy another guitar, but then I've been doing a lot of finger picking style, and why I'm so excited about this is that I've never even touched an acoustic guitar. Never even touched an acoustic guitar. So not only is this the unboxing of guitar, it's unboxing the first guitar I've ever got. And plus, what I'm really excited about this is the Aerocase. There's a really awesome case because when I'm traveling, I can take this guitar. The other thing that I want it for is when I'm sitting in front of the TV, the problem with the electric is I can't hear if I'm doing the chords right. With an acoustic, I can. And so I can sit in front of the TV and just continue to practice. But without further ado, let's get in. This is a Taylor 214 CE Plus. Taylor 214 CE Plus. So let's see this thing. Let's go ahead and break open the box and get in here and see if we can get this thing rolling. We have some covering. And here is the guitar. Now, this is what I love, is this case. There's Neil. Okay, Neil, watch out. So here is the guitar. It's tied up pretty good, so we're going to cut this. Alright. So this is the Aerocase that I was talking about that I'm excited about. Let's take this off, Neil. Okay, so this case is like a hard case and a soft case all in one. It's like, look, it's got a backpack thing. You can put this thing on. Check this out. How cool is that? Let me fix the camera. Sorry guys, the camera's trying to get the right angle in there. Check that out. And it's like a hard but soft case. This thing's supposed to be worth a couple $100 itself. Now again, I've never even touched an acoustic guitar, so this is the first one. So let's go ahead and take it out. By the way, in front is where you can put the custom-made stand. Wow, that's nice. That's just nice. All right, let's open it up and let's see this bad boy and what we got. Ooh, all right. Wow, it's got a plush inside, and I'll get that for you. And then, obviously, the guitar. And here is, I think it's a 215. What is my model number? I want to make sure. The 214 CE Plus. So there is the 214 CE+. Set sign on the inside. And the case is awesome. Let me just grab a pick here real quick. And just, it's the first time I ever picked up a good acoustic guitar. The strings are a little bit wider. Okay, not bad. So that is the Taylor, and I'm not good yet. I'm 3 months in of my guitar journey, but now I have this one to start working and start playing. Smells great, looks great. It's got this really nice finish on the back. Excited about it. Great little guitar. Wow, it's pretty cool. Electric plug-in back here. Hours and hours of enjoyment. So it's time to start getting my work in. That's what I'm going to start doing. So as always, I appreciate you watching the videos. Thank you so much for being a part of the channel. Again, some of these are about all kinds of different stuff. I'm doing the exact opposite of what YouTube tells you to do, which is to be niched and be specific. I'm all over the place, but I'm having fun doing guitar videos, doing my Remarkable, my tablet videos, my technical reviews, everything. We're having a blast and putting the great energy out there. So I appreciate you, appreciate the subscribes, the reviews, the likes, and everything else. You rock. Thank you so much, and let's keep going. And thank you for supporting the channel. Much more coming. Please leave comments if you want to see a video from me. All right, so go have a great one. I'm going to get back to practicing.